Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will be learning number names from 1 to 50. आज हम 1 से लेकर 50 तक नंबर नेम सीखेंगे. Let's get started. 1 O-N-E 1 2 T-W-O 2 3 T-H-R-E-E 3 4 F-O-U-R 4 5 F-I-V-E 5 6 S-I-X 6 7 S-E-V-E-N 7 8 E-I-G-H-T 8 9 N-I-N-E 9 10 T-E-N 10 11 E-L-E-V-E-N 11 12 T-W-E-L-V-E 12 13 T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N 13 14 F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N 14 15 F-I-F-T-E-E-N 15 16 S-I-X-T-E-E-N 16 17 S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N 17 18 E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N 18 19 N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N 19 20 T-W-E-N-T-Y 20 21 T-W-E-N-T-Y O-N-E 21 22 T-W-E-N-T-Y T-W-O 22 23 T-W-E-N-T-Y T-H-R-E-E 23 24 T-W-E-N-T-Y F-O-U-R 24 25 T-W-E-N-T-Y F-I-V-E 25 26 T-W-E-N-T-Y S-I-X 26 27 T-W-E-N-T-Y S-E-V-E-N 27 28 T-W-E-N-T-Y E-I-G-H-T 28 29 T-W-E-N 29. 30. THIRTY. 30. 31. THIRTYONE. 31. 32. THIRTYTWO. 32. 33. THIRTYTHREE. 33. 34. THIRTYFOUR. 34. 35. THIRTYFIVE. 35. 36. THIRTYSIX. 36. 37. THIRTYSEVEN. 37. 38. THIRTYEIGHT. 38. 39. THIRTYNINE. 39. 40. FORTY. 40. 41. FORTYONE. 41. 42. FORTYTWO. 42. 43. FORTYTHREE. 43. 44. FORTYFOUR. 44. 45. FORTYFIVE. 45. 46. FORTYSIX. 46. 47. FORTYSEVEN. 47. 48. FORTYEIGHT. 48. 49. FORTYNINE. 49. 50. FIFTY. 50. Now it's time to practice. Let's go through the names of all the numbers together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Thank you for joining us. I hope you had a great time. See you in the next video. Goodbye.